am Kotesh. I am from ES Section. Today I am going to present our project titled by Autonomous Floor Cleaning Robot. How the autonomous floor cleaning robot can work and how it can detect the obstacles and clean the floor efficiently. First of all, manually floor cleaning is time consuming and requires a human effort. The main problem of our topic is manually people are doing the hard effort to the floor cleaning and it takes a lot of time consuming. That's why our aim is to make an automatically floor cleaning robot. Next objectives of our project is to develop a automatic floor cleaning robot that is used by sensors and microcontrollers. Microcontroller is used to control and coordinate all the components of our system or our system. To detect the obstacles and using the air sensors and ultrasonic sensors. To detect the obstacles by using the infrared sensors and ultrasonic sensors. To enable a smart navigation to complete the road control. Our floor cleaning robot is moves smartly and it can detect the obstacles by using the infrared sensors and ultrasonic sensor. It can move easily and clean the floor by covering the floor efficiently. To ensure efficient cleaning, use brush and suction mechanism. The robot is clean the floor by efficiently by using the suction and brush. To reduce the human effort and time is routine for floor cleaning tasks. Our project is reducing human effort and time consuming of our daily routine. It works the floor cleaning tasks. Next part of the Manoj. This is a progression. This.
Components are microcontroller is on 80 mega 888 acts as the brain of the system and processing sensory inputs and corrects. Control the motor and the motor drive module. Dual HP motor device control the direction speed and battery oriented motors and beyond. Low speed DC motors used to move the robot forward, backward and left and right. 70 mm is durable plastic is providing mobility and stability of the robot. The next component is ultrasonic sensor used for sound waves to measure the distance detected from the obstacle from navigation. In the minimum vacuum fan, small DC suction fan collects data and dust and debris into the dust component. And the 2S battery pack power source supplies power to the Arduino motors and sensor. The software components are Arduino IDE, which is a software used to write the code and upload the code to the Arduino Uno. And the embedded C or C++ or Arduino language used to program sensor input. Thank you. Next part is continued by Manoj.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manoj. Now I am here to explain the scope of our project. It is from the observation. We know that we have changes become very lazy to clean our surroundings and floor or something. This project scopes on cleaning the floor automatically in like small areas, homes, and also big areas like offices and hospitals. Next is we are in the robot we are used air sensor and obstacle detection and to navigate efficiently. And supports wireless control, means remote control. We can clean the floor using remote control and provides low cost and practical cleaning solution. It is low cost and practically cleans the floor efficiently and takes less time to other than manual cleaning. the flow chart of the our project, how our robot works. First, we should initialize the sensors in that robot. Then the ultrasonic and IR sensors detect the path to clean and obstacles, and determines after detection and using the sensors, it determines the path which path to clean or flow to clean, and move the robot along the path. That means the path which we are identified, that on that path we should move the robot for cleaning purpose, and active cleaning brush and vacuum. And in that sensor we have used brush and brushes for cleaning purpose, mopping purpose, and avoid obstacle and continue cleaning. Whenever the obstacle comes, our robot avoids that obstacles and cleans the floor, and stop and return. Next step is stop and return to charging or idle mode. When the full function of the robot or cleaning of the robot finishes, it will come to its initial or ideal position. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Prasanth. Today I am going to explain you about the image and view of the existing system about the floor cleaning robot. The existing floor cleaning robot systems mostly rely on the manual or semi-automatic modes. So in our project it is fully autonomous, and also many robots are limited obstacle detection and shock detection. It will not detect many obstacles. So we are adding the IR sensor and the picture sensors to see the obstacles, and also detects the dust. We have the dust sensors, and also the battery life also is good. And some like smart navigation or IoT connectivity for scheduling and monitoring. We have to, in the some existing models, it is lacking scheduling and the monitoring system. So in our project, it will be scheduled for sometimes like 3 times per day, and also the monitoring system we are the, and also our proposal system uses ultrasonic sensors for obstacle detection and autonomous navigation to clean efficiently. As I said, it will use the air sensor and ultrasonic sensors for obstacle detection, and also detects the dust using the dust sensors, and it provides a low cost energy efficient fixed smart alternatives for everyday living. In our project, it is very low cost and also energy efficient, as it will consist of during
next batch
and also smart alternative for
next batch
as no workers are there. It is simply automatically for scheduling. The existing systems have manual, semi-automatic, and automatic, and also limited obstacles and smart navigation. In our proposed system, it is fully autonomous, smart obstacle detection, and IoT or awareness control, and low cost and efficient. Our work plan is like this. In the phase 1, we have done the research, component selection, and few designs. And in the phase 2, we are doing the assembly, programming, and integration. In the phase 3, we are testing the calibration and demonstration in the next weeks. This is the floor cleaning robot structure. This is the RDO, and this is the sensors, ultrasonic mode, mini vacuum fan will be on when the dust is more, and also the infrared obstacle avoidance, and also the batteries for the long lasting working. This is the model structure. And the next part will be continued by Rakesh. Thank you.
ಬೇಗ